So for the first one, we are looking at the floor value of 17 divided by 15. So on my live editor here, I'll go here, then press the return key, then click on code so that I enter the syntax for the floor value of 17 divided by 15. And the syntax for the floor value is floor. So what I do is I'll type in x1 is equals to floor, then open parenthesis, and we are looking at the floor value of 17 divided by 15. What this syntax does is it rounds each number to the nearest integer less than or equal to that given number. So our given number in this case is 17 over 15, and we are finding its floor value. So I can now go on and run, and we have there the floor value of 17 over 15 is a 1. I will now go on to the next one. We are now looking at the ceiling value. So I press the return key, then enter the code. Now for this particular question, we are now looking at the ceiling value of 17 over 15. And the syntax for the ceiling value, so I'll call it x2 and is equals to the ceiling. So it's C-E-I-L, open parenthesis. Then we put the number that we want the ceiling value. So it's 17 divided by 15. What this syntax does is it rounds each number to the nearest integer greater than or equal to that number. So we are finding the ceiling value there of 17 divided by 15. So I can go on and run, and we have the ceiling value of 17 divided by 15. It gives us a 2. Now go on to this one here. We are finding the floor value of minus 17 over 15. Press the return key and then click on code so that I enter the syntax, and I'll call it x3 is equals to, we are finding the floor value. The syntax for floor value is floor, open parenthesis. In this case, we are now looking at minus 17 divided by 15. Then I go on and run, and we see that the floor value there is minus 2. I now go on to the last one there. We are looking at the ceiling value of minus 17 divided by 15. Press the return key, press on code here, then enter the syntax. I'll call it x4 is equals to, we are looking at the ceiling value, so it will be C-E-I-L, open parenthesis. We are looking at the ceiling value of minus 17 divided by 15. Then I go on and run, and we have that the ceiling value of minus 17 divided by 15. So we have rounded those numbers there. We found the floor and ceiling values. So for the last one there, the ceiling value of minus 17 divided by 15, it gave us a minus 1.